Why send leaders and staff to this new Lean for Healthcare and Non-Manufacturing certificate course? The best way to answer that is with a few questions myself. The biggest one, being in healthcare myself, is this: do you feel pressure for more cost reduction? That's the biggest driver. What's your plan? We have a plan. We'd like to show you this. Another key question is, do you need to engage your staff? You're probably engaging them, but how? Is it focused on continuous improvement? We find that in healthcare, we've got great people working in broken processes. So you need a methodology that works, that's been vetted out, that's proven to work, not only in healthcare, but also all the support areas and in non-manufacturing as well. So we've got a plan for you. The biggest question is this though: in the form of ideas, what percentage of your creative brain power is being asked and implemented of you daily, just for you? If you can't say a high number, then you need to send some key leaders to this course. Does this apply outside of manufacturing? There's a perception that Lean principles only apply to manufacturing, and we hear that all the time. That Lean or process improvement, these methodologies don't apply in our environment. We'll hear, we're different. There's too much variation in our processes and what we do. We'll hear our patients are sicker, or we're physicians and nurses, for goodness sake. I think this makes it even more important to fully implement in Lean systems, because Lean thinking, it applies even better to healthcare. So here's why. The Lean tools are made to help identify and eliminate waste. Waste of waiting, the rework, everything that a healthcare professional or a support person, everything they hate to do is waste. And the very toolkit helps identify and helps you eliminate it. But it also deals with variation. The reasons for the Lean tool, especially those like the creation of a one-piece flow cell and pull systems, they're designed to deal with variation. It actually, in the very studied manufacturing environment where everything's exactly the same cycle time, you don't need a cell. Henry Ford's assembly line works fine. Where you have variation, it's healthcare. And that's why the toolkits work so well. So this series, it's not just for healthcare organizations. Any non-manufacturing operation will benefit from this. This is for you. So that brings us probably to the most important question: what are the results for organizations implementing Lean or those that will take this course? ThedaCare in Wisconsin and other health systems, they report a potential 30% cost reduction upon implementation. 30%. And I've consulted with dozens of the best healthcare organizations in America, and now with Baylor Scott & White, we've seen the similar results. It's not just cost though. There's a patient involved, which is why this is even more important if it's healthcare. Other results are improved patient satisfaction. We've got employee satisfaction. They feel really good about their ideas being brought forward and implemented. Walking reduction, waiting reduction, but most importantly, the Institute of Medicine reported this. They actually said these words in their study, the book Crossing the Quality Chasm. They said it is possible for all healthcare systems and all of its processes to be safe and timely and efficient and effective and equitable and patient-centered. These 6 aims or results categories, they're now the North Star for all continuous improvement. So we have a great opportunity to bring the very best continuous improvement or Lean training for healthcare and non-manufacturing and all the related industries too. We have an opportunity now to bring this to UT right here in Texas. The last question is the future and the biggest benefit for this course series. So to thrive through all the massive changes that are occurring in healthcare, we sort of feel like we need a breather now and we can sort of rest. That's not true. We're going to need even better and new ideas and tools, lots of them, because on the horizon, what do we have? We have more healthcare reform. We have waves of merger and acquisition. It's just now starting. Maybe something new called co-opetition. We're competing and cooperating at the same time. Probably the biggest change we're going to see is our previous partnerships like the insurers, they're going to start providing healthcare now. All of these changes are going to force the combined operation in an area you're going to need to lay out lean processes even more quickly. So as you're making your decision on whether or not to sign people up for this class, we've got a gift on our website. We've attached a link to a free white paper from the Institute for Healthcare Improvement. It's called Going Lean in Healthcare. You will see further results and reasons to take this course. So please sign yourself up and other leaders today.